Hi folks, Dave from No Fix Address back with you. Today I'm going to show you how we install and remove our TrailerSaver hitch from our truck. After we released our review of the TrailerSaver BD5 hitch, a number of you have asked how we move the thing in and out of the truck. One of the things I mentioned in that video, which I'll link up above, is that one of the biggest drawbacks of this hitch is its weight. It weighs, I think, somewhere around 300 pounds, so it's not something you can easily throw in the truck, remove at will. We are fortunate enough to have a tractor with forks on it at NFA base camp that I can use when I do remove the hitch, which is not really all that often, to be quite honest with you, because we're mostly traveling. But anyway, today I have to put the hitch back in because we're hitting the road tomorrow, and so I thought I'd show you how we do that. Whenever I have the hitch off of the truck, I keep it on this moving dolly and store it in the shed out of the elements, and that allows me to shift the thing around as needed because it's so heavy you want it on wheels somehow. So this is what I use for that. I can just lift it out with the forks on the tractor, set it down. The next step is to attach some straps to it that will allow me to lift it off of this moving dolly and move it over to the back of the truck. So I just take the straps and I put one underneath each end of the main beam here. Just leave it there ready to hook onto the forks. And now let's hook it onto the forks and lift it up. There, now we can carry it over to the truck. So I have it tilted forward a little bit so that the nearest feet land first. It makes it easier to line up because those are the ones I can see. Close, I'll just give it a little jostle now. Down a little more. Another little jostle. There we go. I'm going to let her down the rest of the way. I just wiggle that, it drops in the rest of the way. So now just half turn on each of these, and I use a padlock to lock the hitch into the truck so nobody can mess with it. Don't need these anymore. So the last thing we have to do is cinch up these nuts that are down at the bottom here. These what keep your hitch from moving it at all. If you don't have these snugged up, each time you stop you hear a clunk, and each time you start moving again, you'll hear a clunk. That one's good already. So just do the other two. That one's good. And that one's good. All right, she's in. Ready to go. Now I'll just lubricate it and we'll be ready to hit the road. So that's all there is to it, folks. It's pretty easy as long as you have some way of lifting the darn thing. Like I said, they're heavy and I think close to 300 pounds or something like that. So without some sort of an engine hoist or tractor like we're using, or some method of lifting it, it would be a difficult chore to put into your truck and remove on a regular basis. Fortunately, we don't need to do that very often, and we have the tractor available to us at NFA Base Camp whenever we do need to do it. The only other thing I need to do now is just to lubricate it up, and we're ready to hit the road tomorrow. Anyway, thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it answered some questions as to how to install these things. And if you like the video, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks for joining me. See you again soon. Bye now.